Annie here from Stamp Anything, and today I'm here to show you our newest release, the November release for 2024. Excuse my appearance, I am just getting over the flu, so I still look like a hot mess, but we wanted to make sure that we showed you the release since today was the release day. And our release today is called Treat Yourself, self with the elf. And we have our 6x8 stamp and die outline die set. We also have our Christmas word builder die. The boot and hat, it's a layering 2-layer stencil, layering stencil. And then the holiday scene builder die. So just to really quickly show you, we have, again, this is the stamp set for this release. Sorry about the glare on the photo here, with the coordinating outline dies. The sentiments on this set says, it's that special time of year. Slay what? Treat yourself, elf, And then we have this cute one. I don't know if it'll show up here. It says, heard you've been good or naughty. And then it's got the check or the X that you can actually put in the box. And then we have Merry Elfing Christmas. This set again is 6x8. It is currently $25.50. However, today is release day and we completely sold out of this stamp set today. It was flying off the shelves with Stamp Club and then opening it to the public. But we have already went in, reordered another batch of these. And we should have this stamp set back in stock in about 10 days. If this is something that you're interested in, you still want to go ahead and scan the QR code or head over to our website, click on the product, and there is a notify me email hot pink button. And you're going to want to go ahead and click on that so that when they go back in stock, the website will automatically propagate the emails to those that are actually on the wait list to get it. So that's the Treat Yourself 6x8 stamp set. And then we have the coordinating outline dies. This is for $19.50. We do have a few of these still in stock. Not only does it have the outline of the stamp sets, but it also has these few little smaller outline dies that coordinate with some of the images also. It's really cute because with the stamp set, you can put a tree or a present sitting on the shelf with the elf on the shelf. So that is that. Then we have our Christmas word die. Again, sorry about the glare. It's a 2-layered word die. What's great about it is that you can mat it. It's going to look, it's upside down, right? Christmas. You can go ahead and mat it. And you can see in the sample below how it goes and gets matted together. And then finally is our holiday builder scene die. And on the back of our packaging, it shows you how you can go ahead and put the pieces together to get the final outcome of what you're trying to look. So it would be the circle plus the little baby circles plus the ribbons. You put that together and layer it to make the wreath. To make the Christmas tree, you have the base die, the bottom skirt of the tree, middle skirt of the tree, top skirt of the tree, and then again, the little circles, which would then create the little ornaments. So this makes like a nice little layered tree. And then for the presents, you have the base of the presents, the second layer of the presents, the ribbons that go on each of the presents. So it makes a nice little layered effect like that, plus the little bow part. And then we have our little window. And that is our builder die. Hat and boot. The hat and boot layering stencil. So you can see here it is 2 pieces. And it's super, super cute for those holly jolly elves. Okay. Design team projects. Let's just roll into them and see what we have gotten created this month from team member Betty Lim Silvernail. She made these 2 cute products of the designs that are showing up on your screen. She used the elf that's on the sleigh, using Merry Elfing Christmas and Slay What? I think that is just the cutest little sentiment for that. And then the other one is she used our female little elf girl, and she did it in non-traditional Christmas colors. She did it like in pinks and turquoises or teal colors. And that is Betty's 2 cards for this month. Next up, we have B, who is at bewitched underscore by dash cards. And she also made the two projects showing on the screen. The first one, again, she also did the girl version of our elf. And she also did them in non-traditional colors with purples and blues, which I think is really, really pretty. It's a nice, I think it's getting to be a little bit more traditional with the red and green, and then the secondary traditional new colors for Christmas usually are the pink, purples, and the blues. It's really popular now. And then she also made a shaker slimline card using the word die and then the cute, cute elf on the pine cone. Up next, we have a card from our guest designer, and that is at Stamp GRL for Girl. And she did these two adorable cards. She altered the eyes on hers. She drew them out to make them look a little different. So super cute, and shows you different ways you can use our stamps. Again, she used Merry Elfin Christmas with the word die and the boy elf leaning on the pine cone. And then she did a tall slimline card with the elf on the shelf. With that, heard you've been good or naughty, and she chose that her elf was being good. So there's our design team for our guest person at Stamper Girl. Next, we have two projects up from design team member Kevin at create underscore relax underscore repeat. And he did the girl version with Merry Elfin Christmas. And I love what he did with hers. He put little freckles on there. I love freckles. I don't have freckles, but I wish I had freckles. But at least he made our little cute little elf have freckles. And then the other project he did, he used our mini tag die album, and he created a really, really cute Christmas album. And he used our boy on the shelf as the inspiration inside. Excuse me. His project there. And then we have, I think we have one more. Nope, no more. These are the stamps that are coming in the set. You get the 4 elves. Color them up how you want. Traditional colors, non-traditional colors. Again, you get the builder die, the word die, the stencil die. That is our November release. Tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern time in our Facebook group, Stephen will be doing a live coloring of one of these images. So if you're not a member of our Stampers page over on Facebook, you want to go ahead and join over there so you don't miss the opportunity to color along with one of our designers. Again, stamp set is currently sold out, but it has been reordered, and we should have it in about 10 days. Thank you so much. Again, I apologize for the appearance, just getting over that flu. Really horrible. But you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.